Are you sure your 5S program is working? A solid 5S audit can reveal hidden gaps. Today, we will dive into the 5S audit process. You will learn how to evaluate each S in a 5S audit process. Use this guide to spot issues and sustain excellence. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss our Power Pack videos. Let's get started. So, what is a 5S audit? A 5S audit is a tool to assess your workplace against 5S standards. It highlights both strength and weakness. It drives continuous improvement. Now, what is the 5S audit process scoring system? Divide the 5S audit checklist into 5 sections. Assign a score to each item. Use a simple scale such as 0 to 2 for each step of the 5S process. 0 means non-compliance, 1 means partially compliance, means 50% compliance, and 2 means full compliance, means 100% compliance. Now, let's understand how to evaluate each step of 5S through 5S audit process. First step is sorting. So the audit things involved in sorting are: check for unnecessary items, verify removal of old materials, confirm only needed tools are present, look for excess inventory. Second stage is simplify. So here the audit things involved are: inspect item locations, ensure labels are clear, verify tool shadow boards are accurate, check pathways are marked. Third stage is sign. The audit items involved are: observe cleaning standards, check for dust and spills, inspect equipment lubrication, look for leaks, and review daily cleaning logbook. Fourth stage is standardize. Here the audit items involved are: confirm visual controls are visible, check the checklist are posted properly, and ensure audit schedules are set. Verify training records for 5S standards, review process documentation for updates. And the last but not the least step is sustain. Here, the audit things involved are: evaluate team engagement, check if audit occurs on time, review corrective action follow-up, assess recognition programs, and continuous improvement suggestions. In conclusion, a robust 5S audit checklist keeps your system strong. Use it to uncover gaps and drive change. Start auditing today, track your scores, improve one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Let us learn and grow together. Share your experience on 5S audit in the comments below. Let's build a smarter and safer workplace together. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.